Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 6. Conclusion. In this chapter, we will conclude our discussion of accounting ethics. In this lesson, we will take a look at other IRS publications that may be helpful when learning more about accounting ethics and practice before the IRS. You may be interested in the following: IRS Publication 947, Practice Before the IRS and Power of Attorney; IRS Publication 501, Exemptions, Standard Deduction, and Filing Information; IRS Publication 509, Tax Calendars for Use in 2013; and IRS Publication 552, Record Keeping for Individuals. These and other IRS publications include helpful information, example worksheets, and instructions for seeking additional tax help. There is also a telephone hotline especially for those who practice before the IRS. The Practitioner Priority Service is a nationwide, toll-free hotline that provides professional support to practitioners with account-related questions. The toll-free number for this service is 866-860-4259.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.